What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Oh, there's a nice looking worm. This bedding is breaking down quite nicely. See how the feeding area is looking. That pumpkin stem. There's a big worm there. Swollen clitellum. Oh, looks like we got some more worms mating right there. Cool. So, another worm bin with some very happy worms. Another worm with a swollen clitellum. Looks like this worm's working into that pumpkin stem. I think this was the leaf from that the sunflower seeds that I put in a few weeks ago. Wow, that's really soft. Look, there's a worm going into the mango pit or seed. About 4 worms or so in there. Wow, and there's still even a bunch of worms over on that side. The bedding material definitely is still kind of moist, which is great. I wanted to kind of incorporate that side a little bit into this other side. This side was a little drier than where this last feeding was. Oh. These were the cotyledons from that sunflower. They can just go down there and keep breaking down. I was feeling something hard, just a piece of stick. I didn't run out and get any leaves, so I have some shredded newspaper that I'm going to add to this. I was trying just to do all natural, but paper's natural. To this, I'm going to add my grit. This is pulverized azomite powder. And this is ground up eggshell. Both are a good source of grit for the worms. They don't have teeth like us. They have a crop and a gizzard, kind of like a chicken. So they have to take nibbles of the rock dust and the eggshells, and then as they wiggle around, that helps to break down the food scraps and to help them digest the bedding. I got a few different things for them today. We had some broccoli. That was the stems of the broccoli that was put into the freezer. There's my watermelon, and it has some juice in there. So we'll add that to some of the fresh new bedding and over to the side. And then here's a nice handful of pulp from the juicer, some banana peels, some grape stems, kind of a little bit of everything for them. Oh, there is a grape, and I do squeeze them because I want the worms to be able to get inside. So I already added the grit. I'm going to go ahead and cover this all up. So a little bit from this side, and then I'll pull back some from that side. Smooth that out a little bit. One pretty neat thing I was able to get, my pumpkin stem and my mango seed. Now that's back in there. So at work I was able to get this. Possibly a little too big for this bin right now, but I'll put it in there. It's a piece of burlap. Well, this will help get the stuff off my gloves. I think the next time I check in on this, the worms are going to be all crazy going throughout that. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along and checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.